How to empty trash on your Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to permanently delete files from the trash through the file manager on your Android device. First, open the My Files or File Manager app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Trash to open the Trash folder. From there, you'll see all the files that have been moved to trash and are waiting to be permanently deleted. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right corner to open the options menu. In the next step, tap on Empty Trash to delete everything in one go. Following this, a confirmation prompt will appear warning you that all files will be permanently deleted. Finally, tap on Delete or Confirm to empty the trash, and all the files will be permanently removed from your device. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you empty your trash, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.